Okay, so which question do you want me to ask you now? Do you want country? Do you want country question?
No, I don't know anything about country.
You ask me, did I want country question?
Do you want degree question?
Please ask me good, simple questions.
They're also simple. All the
Related
questions
to
here are simple.
Ask me. Don't ask me, do I want country? Simple from anyone.
Please.
Simple
This way, please.
from anyone. Emphasis on the simple.
It's about to go down.
Please, can we face them?
Let me not look at the camera because if not, I can walk away, right? Okay.
You know the rule now. You walk away in your second question. Okay. So question number 1 goes to us. What's the full meaning of BSc?
Bachelor in Science.
Sorry?
Bachelor in Science. Like a Bachelor of Science then.
You sure now? Yeah, sure. Call one thing.
Bachelor in Science.
Eh?
Bachelor in Science.
Actually, it's Bachelor of Science.
Oh.
But I'm going to give it to you because you have an idea.
Okay.
You have an idea. Okay. So here is the money. Okay, so what is the full meaning of PhD? PhD.
Jesus. PhD. How come I don't remember this time? PhD. How can I forget this?
I told you now, there are simple questions.
Sorry. Wait.
Please, you want to spoil it. I don't want her to collect the money, okay?
I can call the friend out.
Yes.
What's
What's her name? What's her name?
Belumi.
Belumi. Friend. Belumi friend. Who is Belumi? Please come. You could just Google it, Abby.
How can I forget?
Okay, so what is the full meaning of PhD?
Doctor of Philosophy.
Okay, you can go. Thank you. Are you going with it?
Yes, I'm going with it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Correct.
Thank you.
Correct. Chop knuckle first. Chop knuckle. Okay. Okay, so before the question number 3, do you want to walk away?
Yes.
Or you want to go to the third question?
I'm walking away.
Are you sure? Hold on. Let her finish. Okay. So the deal is done. You have your 1,000 naira. It's done. We are not collecting it. But we want to see the third question.
If I can get
If you can get it.
Ah.
Maybe you made the right decision.
What if I made the wrong decision?
Okay. No, it's not a big deal. At least you have information they say is worth her. Okay, so your third question goes to us. Which country is the smallest country in the world?
Smallest country in the world.
Yes.
Do you know what? Thank God I made it. I decided to walk away because smallest country in the world. No, that's not it.
So they have mentioned something for you, Abby?
No.
That's why you say no.
No, like I'm reading
you're
names, but
okay.
that's
You're
not
brainstorming.
It. Yes.
Keep brainstorming. I like this kind of brainstorm. Please. Don't spoil this at 1,000. No,
I've walked away. I've walked away. I've walked away.
Okay. So let me tell you what the country is. It's actually Vatican City.
Vatican City. Thank you.
All right. So please come. So what do you say to my audience?
Oh, guys, read well. Read well. Book no be scam.
Okay. Here is the rule of the game. 5 questions for 4,000 naira. Question number 1 is 500. 2, 3, 4. They are all for 500. So by the time you answer the 4th question correctly, you would have made 2,000 naira. Now you can double the cash if you answer the 5th one correctly. Now please, you can walk away immediately you answer the 2nd question. Because if you answer the 3rd one and it's incorrect, you're going to lose the money. Okay, so you can also ask a friend. Okay, so question number 1 goes to us. Your brothers and sisters are referred to as what?
My siblings.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You are sure? Okay. It's actually correct. Please let me honor you. Here is the money here. Question number 2 goes to us. SPF. What does it stand for?
I don't know.
What does SPF? You don't know? You don't want to call somebody? You don't want to call anybody? All right, thank you so much for your time. Can we have our money?
Why?
You actually walk away in your second question when you have answered it correctly with our money.
It's about to go down.
I gave you the rule of the game.
No.
I did. Can we rewind it this year? It's in the video. That's why we are videoing you. Because people argue a lot. We'll stop it, then we'll play the video. Thank you.